So here is the second question. If a stochastic process xt is y-set stationary, it means that the mean of xt equal to a constant, and its autocorrelation depends only on the um, on the time length tau equal to t1 minus t2. And for independent increment process, if the increments xt2 minus xt1 and xt4 minus xt3 of a process xt are uncorrelated for any t1 is less than t2 is less than t3 is less than t4, then we say that xt is a process with independent increments. For example, Poisson process is just an independent increment process. For my understanding, so if there are four types and their increments are uncorrelated with mutually, so they are independent increment process. For Markov process is a process with Markov property. It is a memoryless. So there is a queen. T1 is more than T2, blah blah blah, still till more than Tn, and the probability when xt2 is less than x2, blah 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 blah, xtn is less than xn, of xt1 is less than x1, just equal to the probability of when xt2 is less than x2, the probability of xt1 is less than x1. The CDF of x1 x2 will be enough to determine the Markov process statistics. Then is strict sense stationary. A process xt is called strict sense stationary if its statistical properties are invariant to a shift of the origin. This means that the process xt and xt plus tau have the same have the same statistics for any tau. The PDF of x1 to xn and t1 to tn just equal to the PDF of x1 to xn, t1 plus tau till tn plus tau. So, for stochastic process, no matter how large time shifted, they just have the same PDF. It just reflects the mean of stationary. And why not? So what's the why not? We shall say that a process xt is why not if its expected value, if it's any two time ti and tj. So at these two times, there are two different random variables for stochastics of xt, and they are just uncorrelated for every ti and tj. So the autocovariance of ti and tj just equal to 0 for any I is not equal to j, and the mean of y naught equal to 0, and the autocovariance t1 and t2 we can write in another format, just equal to Qt1 multiple delta t1 minus t2. Qt is more than or equal to 0. So that's all my video solutions for homework 10. Thank you very much.